little Lisita, little Lisita, little sopa sí, la sopa sí, la sopa sí. ¿Dónde están los bebés? ¿Dónde están los bebés? ¿Dónde están los bebés? Los bebés, los bebés. ¿Dónde están los bebés? Los bebés de la mamá. ¿Dónde están los bebés de la mamá? I came to the attic to get our Valentine's decorations, and this section of the attic is a little bit shorter than the rest. That's why I'm like, okay, we just had lunch, and I'm going to take our Valentine's box downstairs. We don't have that much stuff. I do want to get another wreath at some point, but for now, I don't think I'm gonna be buying any more Valentine's decoration for this year. Probably for next year, I'll get a few things. Depends on what I find. But for now, I'll just stick to the box we have. So I'm out of breath. Those stairs are very, very much like this. So let's get this box down so we can start decorating. I never remember what I have in the holiday decor until I actually open the boxes. So I only have one box for Valentine's decoration. So I'm going to figure out what I find. First thing is a wreath. I love this wreath. I'm pretty sure Michael got it last year. It's very pretty. So this is gonna go on the front door. It still seems pretty new because we just bought it last year. Again, we don't have a lot of things. Here is what the majority of my stuff lives in. And then we have an old tennis racket thing, I guess. This has been in my house, in my family, for literally years. I don't know whose this was, and I'm thinking I want to hang it up somewhere in the dining room or, in the foyer, but not today. And then we have a little heart wreath situation. And then another little hanging thing that I've had for so many years. I think I might not be getting rid of this sooner than later. And then lastly, we have this other hanging little heart. This one I usually put on in my dining room door that goes to the garage. So I think that's where I'm gonna put it again this year. So I just finished cleaning the first floor. Well, I just did like a vacuuming. I have to mop, but I already mopped sometime this week, and right now I don't have the time because I want to go to the grocery store because we have nothing left to eat, and so I want to use tonight to do that because tomorrow I have a very exciting day. I'm gonna go to Houston. I have to go change the screen in my phone because it's super messed up. It's all cracked, and at this point it's like really bad. The LED is already messed up. So anyway, let's get into the decorations. I got this, I think like last year or 2 years ago. I'm pretty sure from Target or Michael's. And it's like a little banner. I think I put this last year in the chimney, so that's what I'm gonna do. You've got a classic "All You Need Is Love" lyric. And then I've got these little wooden houses. So yeah, I've got a little village. So I'm gonna put this little village in the chimney. Ooh, I got a little Dana. I forgot I bought her last year. Dana is my little French poodle that's already in doggy heaven. And then I think this is, oh, cute. I got cute little things last year, like little extra decorations. And then this is part of the little wooden house thing. Ooh, it's a kisses countdown. Here, you can't give me any kisses until that day. What day is today? Today's the 2nd. How cute is that? That doesn't count. Until the 14th. How cute are these? And then more of these little houses. I don't know where I'm gonna put these ones comparing to the wood ones. Oh yeah, these are the ceramics. I've got ceramics, and then I've got these smaller ones that are wood. I don't remember where I put which last year. I think I might put the ceramic ones on top of the piano this year. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. I'm thinking these little ceramic villages I'm gonna put on top of the chimney, and then this I keep calling bandana, this banner, I'm gonna put it on the chimney, like under the chimney.
first I need to give a little dusting to that chimney. So let's do that first before we put anything on top. Because I feel like we need to add a little extra hanging thing from here and then there so it fully opens, because there's some hangers there on the bottom but they don't particularly fit the entire length of it, but I think it's fine. It looks cute, gives a little Valentine touch to this room. Cute is this color. I really loved it. Such a pretty pink. But this is extra small. I'm gonna see if an extra small would fit better. And these jeans are also very cute. This is a brand new store. It was not here. I don't know how long ago it's been here, but it's new. I haven't been here in a while. But it's so nice that they have a J. Crew factory now. And I've got a few other things I want to try. How cute is this? Very Valentine-y, but I think it's still cute. And then I've got a dress, more shirts, some shorts, and a sweater. It was not in my plans to spend on clothing today, but there was not a J. Crew factory before in this little plaza. So what can I do? I'm definitely taking this shirt. I love the shirt. I just left this cupcake place, Crave Cupcakes. I didn't want to film inside because I'm always embarrassed when people are around. But they have the cutest little display, and I don't know if you can see, but they have a display of mixers in the front of the store, and they look so cute. But anyway, I love cupcakes, as I think I've already mentioned before. I got a lemon and a coconut, which are probably my two favorite flavors of cake in general, besides strawberry. So I'm probably gonna have the lemon first and then leave the coconut for later, or maybe the other way around, I'm not sure. But yeah, I came to Houston to fix the screen of my phone, which is absolutely cracked. And it's gonna be ready in like 15 minutes, they said. So I'm gonna head over there. I'm trying to close this box. So yeah, I came to Houston to fix the screen of my phone. I wanted to upgrade, but the new camera from the new phone by Samsung, it's really bad. I mean, it's not bad, but it's like, I think like 12 megapixels or 20 megapixels, the front camera. And my S22 Ultra the front camera is a 40 megapixels, so there's no way I'm gonna be upgrading to get a worse front camera, if that makes sense. So I'll just keep my phone until Samsung decides to have a better front camera again. But anyway, I'm gonna leave. I'm going to head over to pick up my phone, eat my cupcake in the parking lot while I wait, and read a little bit more of Iron Flame, which I'm like, according to my Kindle, I'm like 70% there. So I'm almost a little bit more than halfway through. I cannot wait to finish so I can start Onyx Storm, but then we're not gonna have another book for I don't know how long. But anyway, I'm heading out to go pick up my phone. My phone is not ready yet, so let's get into the cupcake. How cute are these? But they're also very good. I'm not a huge fan of sprinkles. I do like them, but the little whatever at the top, I don't know how you call this, but the sweet part on sprinkles is a little too sweet for my liking, and these ones are really good. I haven't had one though in a long time, so I'm hoping they're still as good, which I don't see why they wouldn't. So let's start with the coconut. I'm very pumped that my phone is finally gonna be repaired, because right now it's beyond repair. I was trying to avoid fixing the screen until the new phone was released, and then hopefully upgrade. But the upgrade would not be good for me. Oh. I have to drive 2 hours back home, and it's going to be the worst because I'm gonna hit all the traffic, but that's fine. I don't care. I love coming to Houston, and I will always, any excuse I have to come to Houston, I'll be the happiest. I really, really miss living here. But who knows, maybe one day we'll come back. Which, I don't know, because I love our house, so I don't see myself living in a different house. I would love to grab our house, uproot it here to Houston, but that's impossible. But that would be so nice. But anyway, I'm gonna finish my cupcake and get into reading for another 10 minutes while they're done with my phone. Found this, I guess, mat rug for the kitchen. It says it's machine washable, so that's nice. I'm back home and I already showered, did my skincare. I'm ready to head to bed. I did just do some groceries today. I didn't really vlog that. I was just at the restaurant that you saw for a little while. I read a little bit. I am almost done with Iron Flame, less than 200 pages. So probably like around 180, maybe 170 pages, then I'll be done. So I wanna finish soon. So anyway, I just went, had a little tea, a little pastry, and then read my book for a little while, and then I headed to the grocery store. But before I did stop by TJ Maxx. So I thought we would do a quick haul. So before we get into what I got from TJ Maxx, today I want to share what I got on a Monday that I was in Houston, and I went to the J. Crew factory store. Anyway, the first thing I got was this is part of my husband's Valentine's upcoming present. I got him 2 shirts, one from J. Crew and one today from TJ Maxx. So it's a very cute cotton long sleeve. I don't want to unfold it because it's already folded, ready to put away or put in like a little gift bag. And it's just this very pretty white with blue stripes. It's so cute, and it's 100% cotton, so I know he's gonna like that long sleeve. And then I got that t-shirt that you saw me wearing on the clip from earlier. It's just a plain 100% cotton pink short sleeve t-shirt. I live in short sleeve t-shirts pretty much year round, and I love the color. And then I was considering getting that shirt with the little hearts, but realistically I know I'm not gonna wear it as much. And I also had this one in the dressing room, and I just went for the white, plain white shirt, also 100% cotton, very important. And it does have a little pocket. It's very cute. Again, this kind of t-shirts or shirts, like button down shirts, I wear year round. Even in the summer, I like to wear long sleeves from time to time, so I think that's gonna be very pretty. White, you can never go wrong, and it literally pairs well with everything, including shorts or jeans, both denim. So I did get some shorts. I live in Texas, so it's hot very much since the beginning of March until sometimes November, December. So I wanted to get some shorts, and I saw this. These are so good, and the length was perfect. I don't like my shorts to be too short, so I think this is gonna be, or they were pretty good. And I got this in the size 25. Very cute. And I also got the jeans that I was wearing again in the clip for the store, from the store. These ones I got in the size 24, And that's the description. I'm pretty sure you can still find them at the J. Crew Factory website. And I love the shade. I think a dark denim color. It's very pretty and it's very classic. So those are the 5 things that I got from J. Crew. So now onto the TJ Maxx stuff that I got today. I did pick up my husband another shirt. This is 100% linen, a white linen long sleeve. I think this is gonna be perfect, and that is going to go in his little Valentine's gift with the J. Crew shirt. So I need to put that away before he sees that. And for myself, I got a dress. This is polyester, which whatever, it's fine because I really loved it. And I also have this exact same dress but in black that I bought sometime in November, maybe last year, December. It's very pretty, and it's just this kind of like Chanel-esque classic style with the pearls and whatnot. It's very pretty. It was super affordable. I think it was like $19 something. Yeah, $20. So I need to wash this, and maybe I'll be wearing this for Easter. I don't know yet. So that's the only, no, that's not the only clothing thing that I got. I also got a very cute pajama set, short sleeve and shorts, almost like boxer, like men boxer shorts. And it's a very pretty, also like stripe, blue, has a little bit of yellow, and also important, 100% cotton. And here's the cute little shirt. Very pretty. I love this little set. And then extra things. I needed a new liner for the shower, so this is just a white liner. And what else did I get? Things to like save my face. How do you call those? Here we go. Got one of these for my face, and then something that I think I'm gonna be returning because it didn't fit. I bought this. It's like a tablecloth for the breakfast nook. It's a very pretty green shade. You can't really see it right now because it's very dark. Sorry, dark outside. But it's too big for my breakfast nook table, so I might try to put it in the dining room table. If it works, then I'll keep it. If not, I'll just take it back. I literally just unmade the bed, and this guy jumped in right away. He's like, I'm done for the day. I'm ready to go to bed. So I won't be sleeping just yet. I've got my book waiting for me, and this is how much I have left. So almost there, and I'll be jumping into Onyx Storm immediately after I'm done with this. So I did go, I mentioned I went to the grocery store. I went to Sam's today, and they, on the book section, they had the Onyx Storm, I guess, special edition. I don't know which one it would be because I got the Target exclusive the day it was released, and I love it. But then I was walking at the grocery store, at the store, and I saw they had it in the where the dragons, the multiple dragons are, here on the edges, and I thought it's so cute. I really don't need it because I have the Target exclusive, but I still ended up picking it up just in case I end up regretting not getting it. So now I have 2 Onyx Storm books, I guess. So anyway, I'm gonna keep on reading. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye!